to the May Take and Make video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a patriotic wreath that you can use for Memorial Day, 4th of July, all through the summer. So if you've picked up your kit, you will find 3 colors of paper, red, white, and blue. You'll also find a circle piece of cardboard, a star, and some ribbon. It'll be up to you to provide the glue. I used hot glue for this project. I found that that worked the best because it dries very fast and helps you move faster with the project. So basically all you're doing is creating cones out of the different pieces of paper. I went in a red, white, and blue pattern, but feel free to do whatever you like. But really all you have to do is just make cones with the paper. You do not have to cut the paper. I found that it was easiest to hold the paper like this. And I, in my right hand, just folded the paper over and brought the paper that was in my left hand over top of that and just rolled it until I had the cone looking the way I wanted. And then I just put a small piece of hot glue there at the bottom. Really, making your cones is going to really take the most time with this project, but you'll find as you start to make them, it goes faster. So once you have all of your cones made, you arrange them around the circle piece of cardboard, and once you have your pattern and the cones the way that you want them, just go back and hot glue them all down to this piece of cardboard. You're going to find that you'll have a small gap in the middle, and that's what your star is for. There are a different variety of red, white, and blue stars in all of the kits. And once you have things glued down to the board, just put some hot glue on the back of this star and glue it down in the middle of your wreath. You'll also have a piece of red ribbon, and you can glue that on the back to hang it. So this is our quick and easy patriotic wreath for May. I hope you enjoy it, and happy crafting. Bye.